Today I'm going to be cleaning the engine, which is pretty disgusting. I'm going to try to tape over the intake ports and a couple other places. I'm going to be cleaning the 915 transmission, and the exciting thing about today is I get to find out whether this is aluminum or magnesium. 77 was a crossover year, so what's kind of cool is if this is magnesium, which it might be, I don't know, that means it's 30 pounds lighter than the aluminum version, but it has all the updates of the last generation of the 915. So it's kind of the strongest magnesium cased 915. I don't know if it's magnesium or not though, so I guess I'll find out. The engine bar, some of the engine tin, and then the rear bumper is just disgusting and coated with oil. So I mean, you can see that it's caked down there pretty thick. But yeah, I'm just gonna try to clean everything, and then we'll begin the reassembly next week. Out of gas pressure washing, but I do have some cool news. So see how this is really bright and this is really dark? That means that this is a magnesium transmission. 30 pounds lighter than aluminum transmission, but it still has all the updates of a later 915. So this is actually really cool news. So I'm definitely keeping this transmission. I'm also gonna be spraying down this engine. It's completely disgusting. I blocked off the distributor hole with a rubber glove and a socket and some paper towel jammed in there for a tight fit, and then I brake cleaned all the intake ports and covered those with duct tape. So I'm gonna really try not to hit those very hard at all. Mainly I'm gonna be getting just this whole front half of the engine here. Then I'm gonna switch over to the bottom and do it the other direction. So I'm going to be trying this Gunk heavy duty engine degreaser gel. I have some normal degreaser as well, but I'm going to try the gel first just to see if it helps break up some of this crud. So here's the end result. I'm pressure washing this thing and degreasing it, scrubbing it for, I don't know, a couple hours. Looks a lot better. Next step is going to be backing the car out, and I'm gonna need to clean the engine bay. Yeah, pretty nasty. So this piece right here used to be a foam pad that was adhered to here for sound deadening. And when I first got this thing, I tried to tear out as much as I could, but I could only get to so much of it. You could also see a ton of seeds and just disintegrated foam caked on oil. I mean, this is pretty disgusting. What I have done is I've used a rubber glove to kind of cap off most of the connections here. Still need to get this tube to the oil tank, but yeah, let's get the pressure washer fired up and then we'll be blasting this thing off. Oh, wow. There's a mouse nest. That's freaking gross. This thing a bath. The engine bay is a lot better. I don't know if you can really tell, but it looks amazing. The casualty I did have is the half shaft kind of fell apart, so I'm gonna have to try to reassemble that and probably re-grease it now that there might be stuff in it. But yeah, overall went okay. Next steps are all my parts got here this week, so maybe tomorrow I'll be starting to put together the engine. So kind of excited about that. Really excited about that. Stay tuned.